So if you want to have an overview of a particular city, you can just go to City Visual, and then you can select the city that you would like to know more about it. So, for example, Buenos Aires. The gray line, it is the average of the regional or global, depend on the region that you choose. It's also linked to regions input. So if you choose Europe and then you select a non-Europe city, it will be error. But if you select global, it will be okay, or in this case Asia, it will be also okay if you choose an Asian city. So this page gives you an overview by domain. So market, macro, infrastructure, startup, finance, and human capital. So in this case, you are seeing Jakarta as a file. In this case, in global SFI. So if you go here, you have the position of Jakarta in the world, and if you want just for the regional SFI, the Asia SFI in this case, you can just select Asia, and then you come to city visuals, and then the values change, of course, because the average for Asian cities is different, and the SFI score for Jakarta, only amongst Asian cities, is different also. So in this case, you can take a look on every Asian city, Asian SFI.